Good morning. It is Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed your Memorial Day and got to go outside and have a little bit of fun. Okay, we are on page 222 of your instruction book, and we're going to continue to count pennies, dimes, and nickels. Okay, so let's look at our problem on page 222. It says Eric found some coins on the floor. How many cents did he find? Okay, so let's look at the first picture. It says you can sort the coins and think about the value of each coin. So what does the picture show? Right, the picture shows Eric's coins ordered from greatest value to least value. So they put all the dimes together, all the nickels together, and then the 2 pennies together. Now let's look at the model and model it. That's in the middle here. Okay, so here, how does the size of each section relate to the value of the coin? Okay, right, since 10 cents is the largest number, the boxes are a little bit bigger. And then 5 cents, it's about half of that, so it's smaller. And then for 1 cent, it's the smallest because that is the smallest value of our coins. Okay, how does the model shown in the first model it, like the coins in the picture it? So how are these two alike? The picture of the coins and then the model. Okay, so when they did the picture of the coins, they put the value of each coin underneath. They wrote the numerical number. And here, all they did, they just took away the picture of the money. They just wrote down the values of each coin. Great job, guys. Now let's look at the final model at the bottom of page 222. Okay, you can also write an addition equation. So there are 3 tens here. So I have 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus my 3 5s here. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus my 2 pennies, 1 plus 1. Okay, so let's look at the next page. We're on 223. Okay, we're going to connect everything we have learned so far. See if I can make this a little bit bigger. Okay. So we're going to use skip counting and addition to find the value of the coins. And number 2, we're going to use skip counting to find the value. Each time the coins change, be sure to change what you are counting by. So what I like to do is I like to go ahead and label my coins just like they did in the picture it. So up here I'm going to write, okay, this dime is 10 cents. This is 10 cents. This is 10 cents. My nickels are how much? Correct, 5 cents. So I'm going to put a 5 above each of my nickels because they are 5 cents. And the penny is 1 cent. So I'm going to put a 1 above each penny. Okay, now I might find it easier to skip count because I have to make sure I don't count everything by 10 because I don't have all dimes here. How does organizing my coins this way help me count them? Right, it helped us, instead of going, okay, 1 and 5. It's easier to start from the largest and count down to the smallest. So let's go ahead and count how much money that we have here, which is what Eric found on the floor. So each time I'm going to put the new number underneath the coin. So here I have 10, 20, 30. So I'm going to write 30, and I'm going to put my cent sign, which is the little C with the line through it. Now I have a nickel, so I'm not going to say 40 because I only have 5 cents. So I get 30, 35. Okay, just like when we were counting our numbers. So now we have 35 plus 5 is 40. Never forget to put your cent sign. So I have 40 plus another 5 is 45 cents. Then we're going to count by ones. I only have one. So 45, 46, and 47. Okay? And remember to put your cent mark by each one. Great job, guys. Alright, so let's look at number 3. Eric added the values like this. Okay, remember in the last model we said we can write an equation in order to count our money as well. So what they did here is they went ahead and grouped them. The 3 dimes is 30 cents. 3 nickels is 5, 10, 15 cents. And 2 pennies is 2 cents. So what we're going to do first is I'm going to add 30 plus 15. Now I can do it like I learned. 30, 15. Okay. 0 plus 5 is 5. 3 plus 1 is 4. So here I have 45 plus 2. Okay, so then I'm going to add 2. So 5 plus 2 is 7. 4 plus, when there's nothing there, it's the same as having a 0. So 4 plus 0 is 4. Okay, so when we add them, 47 cents is the same up here as what we counted, 47 cents. Okay, so number 4 wants you to draw another set of coins that has the same value as Eric's. So that means they want you to draw different coins. You can't use what Eric found, but you still have to make 47 cents. Well, there are many, many ways I can do this. I can put down 7 pennies to get my 7 cents here. And it's like breaking up a number. We have 40 plus 7. So here's my 7. Now I need my 40. So I can do 4 dimes, 20, 30, 40. Okay, that makes 47. What other way can you think of that's different to make 47? I'm going to do one more. I'm going to break it up even more. I'm going to have my 2 pennies. I'm going to do 4 nickels instead of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22. So let me see. Can I put 2 dimes? So I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40. Does that make 47? No. Okay, so that means I either have to add 5 more pennies, which I really don't want to do, or I have to add 1 more nickel. Now I have 2 dimes, 5 nickels, and 2 pennies. So I kind of played around with it a little. Let's count to see if I have 47. I have 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47. Okay, so I want you to come up with your own set of coins. And while you were doing that, I'm going to go ahead and draw my 2 dimes. So 2 dimes. I write 10. I had 5 nickels, so I'm going to make those a little bit bigger. 4, 5. I'm going to put 5, so you know what my coins are. And then my pennies, which should be bigger than my dimes, but smaller than my nickels. Okay, so I want you to kind of come up with your own set of coins that will give you 47 cents. Okay, I'm sorry it kept cutting me off, so we're just going to pick up where we left off on number 4. So I made 47 cents, and we did it in some different ways. And I was challenging you to see how many different ways and sets of coins can you use to make 47 cents. And I ended up using 2 dimes, which is 10, 20, 5 nickels, so that's 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, my 2 pennies. Okay, so what I did, I just kind of made circles for my coins and labeled what they were. Alright, so you're going to try it on your own. You're going to try another problem. So I'd like you to pause this video and try to solve this problem on your own before coming back and finding the answer. Number 5, Blair has these coins. How many cents does she have? Okay, so make sure you pause before answering the question. Alright, welcome back. So what I'm going to do, and we know, did they throw some quarters in here? Yes. Alright, so they're going to trick you here because they added some quarters. So I have 2 quarters here. And if you remember from our previous lesson, a quarter is how many? Okay? Yes, a quarter is 25 cents. So I'm going to write 25 here. Okay? So if I have 2 quarters, that makes 50 cents. Okay, so I got my 2 quarters. Next, I'm going to find my dimes. So I have 1, 2 dimes. So that's 10, 20. So I'm going to put 20. Those are my dimes. Next, I'm going to find my nickels. I'm going to add my nickels to that. So I have 1, 2 nickels. So that's 5, 10. And finally, my pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies. Now, all I have to do is add up my numbers. Okay, so I have 50. And then I had 2 dimes, so here that was 10 plus 10. So that's 50, 60, 70, 80, and 85 cents. And they already wrote our symbol for us, so we don't have to worry about writing 85 cents. Alright, I'm going to leave you to try this on your own. You're going to draw another set of coins that is worth the same amount. So find some different coins other than this that's equal to 85 cents. Now one possible answer, we can put 3 quarters, 1 dime. Okay, that would make 85 cents. Because if I have 25 and another 25, that's 50. And that's 75. And a dime would be 85 cents. Okay, that's one way to do it. Or you can put 8 dimes and 1 nickel. So I can do 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 85. There are a bunch of different combinations you can try. And once again, I want to see how many combinations you can come up with that will equal 85 cents. Y'all have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow.